Hello everyone, Angelica here with Larry the Computer Guy. We are an IT managed service provider in Commerce, Michigan, specializing in cybersecurity and compliance. Today for malware news. A growing number of threats targeting the software developing process are emphasizing the need for software developers to adopt a security-first approach. In one such event, where the software pipeline was targeted, CodeCov became a victim of supply chain attack after a threat actor compromised one of its tools to steal customer credentials. Following another security incident, a distributor of alcoholic beverages and soft drinks had to shut down its IT systems. The software company CodeCov was hit in a supply chain attack wherein an attacker compromised its infrastructure to inject a credentials harvester code into one of its tools called Bash Uploader. MCB, a subsidiary of the drinks giant C&C Group in the UK and Ireland, had to shut down all of its IT systems following a cybersecurity incident. A security researcher earned a significant bug bounty after he reported a coding error in Facebook's live video services that allowed attackers to delete content without the owner's consent. We hope that you're staying safe online, and if you need any assistance, please give us a call. Have a good week.